the idea for the project?
Also, my project is about a drone. I got the idea about my project from my classmate who was very interested in drones. He always talks about drones in class. From him, I learned about the basic parts of drones, such as the propeller, the body, the motor, the battery, and the data module. My project is about a drone that can save animals. It will have a grabber, a siren, and a camera. The grabber is used to grab injured animals from the floor and pick them up in a cage. The cage will be located on the drone's body. The siren is to alert people if they are doing something wrong to animals, such as abusing or injuring them. The camera takes a photo of those people that injured animals and sends them to PETA, which is an organization against the abuse of animals.
Through this whole process, right, of working on the drone concept and all that, what is the one thing that surprised you? The first thing that comes to your mind?
The first thing that comes to my mind is that the drone is really a complicated machine. At first glance, the drone may not look like a complicated machine, but inside the drone, there are many different parts that are put together that keep the drone working. If one little part is spoiled, the whole drone will go down together. I learned that when my drone's ESC, which is a wire that connects to the power distribution board, failed, and my drone was tilted to one side. Immediately, a part of its wings were cut off. Now, I have learned that even a single wire out of place can injure a drone severely.
How will you continue to build on this project of yours after this, showcase?
After this showcase, I will continue to work on my drone as the cameras, siren, grabber has yet to come. I will also have to repair the ESC. Once that happens, I think I will invite my friends from school to help me out with the project. Then, it will be completed faster than working alone. With friends, they can also have other ideas which I can add on. I hope that I will see my drone working in a few months' time.
That's good. What for you is the most fun thing of an entire process?
It is building the wings. Although it was a very hard process, as screwing the wings were not easy and they keep on coming off, I enjoyed it as we had to learn to persevere and not give up when challenges are in front of us. This also inspired me to become more perseverant in everything that I do.
So you have any last words that you want to share with other future Lighthouse participants?
Don't give up and always persevere, because challenges may be fun and can come in a way that you may not expect. Once you have tackled that challenge, it will be easier.
So well